name's Francesca Pisani and I'm the Global Product Manager for GE's range of portable handheld test tools. This is the UNO UPS3 Portable Loop Calibrator. The UPS3 is a rugged, easy to use, high accuracy of 0.01% loop calibrator. This pocket-sized tool is essential for loop testing, instrument maintenance, valve setup, with its easy-to-read display and fantastic time-saving features. The UPS has a number of modes that you can use, so if we just select the mode key, as you can see here on the display, we get the option to milliamp source with an internal 24-volt loop power supply, as well as milliamp measure, and milliamp measure again using the inbuilt 24-volt power supply within the instrument. We also get the option to measure volts and do a continuity test, all in the one instrument. So I'm just going to show you a brief introduction to some of these time-saving features. So the F1 key denotes the option here and the F2 key denotes the option here. So we're just going to go to the advanced menu and select the type of readout, so we can have linear, flow or valve. So we're just going to enter for linearity. We get the option to do a step check. This will go right up from the 0 value to the full scale value. And then we can go right back down and do a step check. We also have the option to do an auto step check. We get the option to pick how much time we want to wait at each step. So if I just alter that. So then we get the option to step up, and here you can see the up arrow will go right through the readings every 4 seconds. And we can also, if we press the down arrow, take the readings to go right down to 4 milliamps. So if you see here, this is doing it automatically. No need to press any buttons, and you can walk away to the device that you're testing while this is still running. Another option is a span check. So if we enter that, we can go from 4 milliamps right up to 20 milliamps with just 2 clicks. And the last one here, so we get the option to ramp, and again we can select how long we want to stay at each point. Just alter that time, enter. We'll start at 4 and the up arrow starts that task running, and we'll go right up to 20, and if we want to go back right down, we just press the down arrow. And you can cycle that by pressing the up arrow and down arrow so that it will continually run in a loop. So the last thing I want to show you is just the valve option. So if we select valve, we're just going to select step. This enables you to go from 3.8 to 4, 4.2, 12, 19, 20 and 21. That just gives you that extra bit at each end just to see when a valve may be opening and when that's actually fully opened there. Overall, the UPS is a really easy to use, intuitive handheld loop calibrator. Thank you for listening.